That remnant low pressure center, which brought all the rainfall to the Carolinas yesterday, some rain to our area today, still spinning but weakening. Typical, not only now that it's inland, but sun has set, so you lose a little bit of that energy as well. So not seeing the rainfall that we had earlier in the day, not expecting much overnight, if any. We're at 66 for Knoxville and Maryville. Put this into perspective. Our high was 67 today, so it really hasn't changed much from where it is. We will fall off, though, in the low to mid 60s for most areas overnight. That's going to allow some fog to develop. We're already seeing some reduced visibilities. 3 miles in Gatlinburg, 10 for Maryville and Knoxville, 3 in Crossville, and about 10 in Morristown. This is what it looks like in downtown Knoxville. You can see some of that fog starting to develop from the lights. You can see that illuminate the underside of it there at Neyland Stadium. And then if we take a look, Blunt Memorial Hospital, our Skycam 6 there, you can see a little bit of fog developing on the horizon as well behind Maryville College. So I think that will be the case by tomorrow morning. Some of these areas will be locally dense, especially if you picked up some of that heavier rainfall earlier today. We'll start out temperatures again, low to mid 60s, but here in the Knoxville area, it's not going to change much from where we are, as again, we're sitting at 66 degrees right now. Through the day tomorrow, quiet start. It'll be dry through at least midday the way it's looking, but shortly after that, with just a peak or two of sunshine, that could help develop a random shower or storm once again across the area. And notice how they're moving northeast to southwest. So certainly the possibility, again, just not a great coverage is what we saw for today. And these will also be gone by about this time tomorrow as well. It'll be much quieter as well as we head into Thursday. Now, temperature-wise, it will be warmer tomorrow with a mix of clouds and some sunshine, just enough to get us in the low 80s here in Knoxville. Still some upper 70s like Gatlinburg and near 80 for Barberville over into Jamestown. Should be a little warmer on Thursday. Temperatures climbing in the mid to even upper 80s, and we're dry and warmer still as we wrap up the work week on Friday. A lot more areas getting closer to 90 degrees, especially south of the I-40 corridor. Should be fine for Friday Frenzy just down the street. GP's coming to Fulton, 81 at kickoff to about 72. Very comfortable by the end of the game. Speaking of warm temperatures, if you happen to be heading out to Norman, 91 even at kickoff at 6:30 Central Time, 7:30 Eastern Time right here on WATE, and a little breezy to start the game. Southeast winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Other than that, should be fine. No worries weather-wise there. We'll be warm this weekend as well. Not as warm as that, but yes, warm enough. We're talking upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The one thing you'll notice, though, is the overnight lows. They're still close to average. That means it's a very comfortable air mass in place, but it also means with that wide of a spread, that cool in the morning, that warm in the afternoon, that air mass is pretty dry. And really, other than tomorrow, our next opportunity, at least for some rain chances, won't come till this time next week.
All right, Ken, thank you.